Hi, it's Alicia and welcome back. So today I've got a little bit of another shopping haul for you. So when I decided I was going to create a YouTube channel, I wrote down a whole list of video ideas that I wanted to do and things that I'd had in my head for quite a while. And so I had to purchase a few things for that. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the things that I bought. So firstly, I wanted to do, and I still want to do, and I am going to do a video crafting with my two boys. So for those of you who don't know, I have two boys. I have a 12-year-old and a 13-year-old. Both of them enjoy crafting to a certain level. They enjoy it once they start doing it, but I've got to drag them off their computers. So during quarantine, when they were being homeschooled, I actually had more chance, and that's when I actually purchased this stuff. But they've gone back to school now, so I'll have to probably wait for school holidays to be able to shoot that video, but I'll show you what I got. So again, if you've watched any of my other videos, I bought this stuff when it was on sale from Riot. So I haven't even I've literally ripped open the box and that's it. So yeah, they gave me a Riot shopping bag, which is pretty cool. And I got some, oh that's right, you know how you get things from when you're a kid. So I've been wanting to do these with the kids for a while. So I got some little shrink arts. I mean, I know when I was a kid we used to shrink all sorts of things like chip packets and stuff like that, so I probably will give that a go again as well. But thought that'd be really cool. It comes with the pencil so they can colour it in, and then I think on the back here it says, yeah, you just pop it in the oven for 2 minutes and then that does that. So that's that one. And then if my sisters watch this, they will understand why I bought this. This just reminded me of when I was at school and had school holidays and we went to do activities at the shopping centre. So they're just like little melty beads. You put them on, there's a little tray thing in here, and then you put an iron on top and it melts your design. So I thought that would be pretty cool thing to do. So that's that one. Then they had this one, which was a paint your own badge. So I mean, probably a bit girly for them, some of the badges maybe, but we'll see. There's an eye, they'll enjoy that, and I don't know, the cactus maybe. So yeah, that's that. You just paint them and let them dry, I'm assuming, so that'll be fun. I'll put that one down there. What else did I get? Oh, these I'm not actually sure how this is going to work, but these are those squishies. You can make your own. I mean, you've got, what do they call it? Where is it? A llama corn, a panda corn, and a pug corn. Puggy corn. I mean, it's just a llama, a panda, and a pug with horns. So pretty cute. We'll see if they want to do that. If the boys aren't interested in doing it, they'll make good gifts for someone who is. And this one secretly kind of got because I want to do it, because they're little pots and they look really cute. So it comes with 3 pots and they hang, so you can put little succulent babies in them. So that was pretty cool. So that's a pretty simple one, they just need to paint it. So that's those from Riot. I found my invoice right at the very bottom. So not sure if they still have this stuff. As I said, it was actually on sale when I bought it. So these were only $2.50 each, so that's pretty good. Sorry. The paint your own planter, that was $10. The squishies These were $7.50. And the badge kit, which is way too far on the floor now, that was $10. So pretty good. So that's that craft. Sorry, I'll just grab it off the floor. I'll put it away as I go, otherwise my cat will end up in the box. So that's from Riot. Now, I did do a little bit of a shopping haul at Spotlight. I did one the other day, but before that, so, I did do a shopping haul the other day, and I'll show you. I did a little bit of a vlog on my way there, but before I did that, I actually ordered some stuff online because getting stuff in store is not so easy at the moment. So I did order stuff online. So this one I thought was pretty cool. So this is something that I've actually been interested in learning to do. It's latch hook. I've seen a couple of YouTubers do it. Exo McKenna and Lone Fox have both done it. So this is actually a kit. So it comes with everything you need in it to make a rug and a cushion cover. So I thought that would be fun to give a go, and it's cheap to get started. And this is also a little bit funny because one of my businesses that I have is called C2 Aromatics, and I make aromatic products, which we are sort of branching into a different direction, sort of to sensory items. But one of the things that I have actually made in the past is soap. So when I actually saw this make your own crystal soap kit, I thought it'd be pretty cool to give it a go. The boys have always wanted to help me make it. I mean, they're a little bit older now, so we'll see if they still do, but they can make their own. If not, I can make it. Can you tell I like crafting? And then another craft that I've wanted to give a go for a very long time is, well, should I say hobby? Craft? Hobby? I don't know. It's macrame. Go on, focus. There we go. So this comes with rope, wooden beads and instructions. So I'm definitely going to need the instructions. I actually really like it because I've been having a little bit of a go myself doing these. They're getting there. That's another video I'll show you. But it'll be nice to have some to give that a go. So that's, oh no, how can I forget? The one thing that my 12-year-old Cohen actually said that he would like to do is tie-dyeing. So I had to order these online because you cannot get tie-dye in store at the moment. So these were actually got from Riot again, and yeah, I managed to get this one here, which has got 5 colours, and then a 3-colour one, and then another 5-colour one. So what I actually did was I worked it out. They were half price. So all up, this cost me like $30, I think, whereas one of these packets was $40 or $50. So I think they were less than half price. But I worked it out so I got every single colour that they had. So Cohen and I can give that a go. I've got plenty of white shirts because I make t-shirts, personalised t-shirts for people. So I have plenty of white shirts that we can give that a go on. So, last but not least, we went on a Spotlight run, which I'll show you now. So we're off to Spotlight to have a bit of a look around and see what we can find, trying to get some material for masks and some little bits and pieces to finish off the calm cuffs for C2, which hopefully I will be launching this month. I want to get a few things sorted out for that. Just got to finish off the final item, and then I can do a little bit of a pre-sale release on those, and then get making. But just got to work out the finer details. I'm sorry about this angle, it's pretty bad for my chinny chin chins. But just working this out, so we'll see how we go. We'll just get driving, so we'll see you at Spotlight. So I wasn't able to film much in Spotlight because there was so many people that it was crazy. But I did manage to get some stuff to make some masks, so I will show you that when I get home. I also might have popped into Bunnings, because we all need a Bunnings trip now and then. But now I'm heading off, so I will see you when we get home. So, as you know, I'm back home, and I didn't film as soon as I got home because, yeah, things happened. It was a Sunday and madness ensued. When I got home, I had kids and all sorts of things. So, I didn't film, but I did manage to get some things to make masks, even though, as I said, Spotlight was an absolute nightmare. It was full of people and I could hardly get any fabrics because people were just buying them left, right and center to make masks. And I've definitely got to make my masks this weekend because, yeah, I'm going in to have a little surgery done next week, so I actually have to make sure I have to make sure that I don't catch anything, any bug at all, let alone, you know, the one that we don't talk about. So I got myself a new pair of dressmaker scissors because I didn't actually own any, even though the Cricut's going to be cutting out my pattern for me. I've got some handcraft needles because I've got a few felting projects that I want to do. So I got, sorry, the bucket's hard to hold. I got this is for one of the boys, this pretty blue. It's like a watercolor blue. So that one for the outside, and then I got a nice watercolor tie-dyed green for the outside. I sort of had to get, as I said, what I could because it was just craziness. Sorry, I've got to stop looking at the viewfinder. I will get used to it. And then this one, it's like sort of like a, I don't know, like a clover sort of bubbles. Really cute. And just a khaki because it's just, you know, I like khaki. It's actually called avocado. Who doesn't love avocados? And then, oh, some things are falling out of their packets here. And then I got, now I'm going to get this the wrong way around. I always get their colours the wrong way around. So green is for Cohen. Cohen's favourite colour is green. So I got green for him. And blue for Cooper. So I got a fair bit of this, as you can see. I've got a metre of each because I figured I can make more than one mask for them. And also I can use them to make sensory cuffs for C2 as well. And then this fabric, because I had to get a certain fabric for the centre, and that was just, there was very little left, but luckily there was this left, and it just happens to be in, it looks like a totally different color on camera, but it's a very similar color to the jumper that I'm actually wearing. It's a really nice khaki green. So that was just conveniently a color that my light just died. Sorry about that. A color that I really enjoy. So just bear with me. I'm just gonna see what happened with that light. Sorry about that. The light on top of my camera died, so if I got a little bit dark, I'm sorry about that. So I may have bought something for me when I was at Spotlight. I'm pretty sure I'm going to make a mask out of it, because who wouldn't want to wear a Pooh mask? Look at him! Or Winnie the Pooh mask. Look at him, he's so cute. I'll definitely be wearing that one. I think it'll look great. So that's, oh no, the other thing I got from, the only other thing I bought from Spotlight, it's not very exciting. They're these, what are they called? Magnetic handbag buttons. So you'll see what these are for in, not going to zoom. They just clip together. They're like your handbags. Sorry, they're not going to focus. They're for a future video, which is very muchly C2 related, to launch some of our new products, which I'm really, really, really excited about. So next door, as I mentioned, to Spotlight is Bunnings. I didn't really need much at Bunnings. Well, actually did. I went in there for one thing, but I totally forgot what that one thing was when I went in there. So I ended up coming out with coat hangers, because who doesn't always need extra coat hangers? Oh, and I've just noticed there's actually a 4-pack and not 3. I thought it was only 3. So that's a bonus. And this beautiful, beautiful tub. Now, this tub is actually meant for firewood. It's like really soft and velvety smooth. I wouldn't put firewood in it. The only reason I bought it, because I didn't really need it, but once I saw it, I really liked it and I wanted it. And then, as I've mentioned before, I love things at a discount, and I couldn't go past that discount. I mean, it's less than half price. So I had to get it. So that's it. That's my Spotlight and Bunnings haul. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button and give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button and scroll up and hit the little bell notification. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye. Every time. Hi, it's Alicia and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to go over